17. He's burped 17 times in 10 minutes. It's a frequent symptom of pancreatic cancer.
Sean, it's acid reflux.
He's also jaundiced.
Do a CBC, CMP, amylase lipase, CA19-9 levels, and CT abdomen pelvis pancreatic protocol, and do not tell him why.
You want me to lie?
I don't want you to tell the truth.
He has pancreatic cancer. Stage 3. Would it be okay if we spoke someplace more quiet?
You need someplace quiet to tell me I have acid reflux?
I think we should be someplace quiet because people sometimes get very upset when they find out they probably only have less than a year to live.